if you purchase a copy of our DVD from one of our team members, we want to say thank you very much for your support because we appreciate it. And if you are a person who love to watch great Jamaican movie, head on over to our channel, Richard Brown Films, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of our journey. So we want to say thank you for supporting our channel, and remember, we are creating non-stop content, and keep supporting what we do to build a greater Jamaica.
Papa!
Yo! Me I come, me I come.
Now, when you do it, I'm here, the more you put on, you know, and water they come in for me, you know, and then something else. So, how much you deal with the door?
At 3-5, me charge, you know.
I want you deal with it today, you know, boss. You know, tomorrow business, you know, another day, you know. Today, more you deal because water they for me, you know, and then something.
Don't worry, mummy. By the time you read down in your yard and make a pit on the ground, by the time you drive me down the man. Don't worry, door have to put on, man. You say rain and flood out your house, no problem. Me I go fix that door. Don't worry, you know. Me just go change and come.
Popeye! Popeye! No, sir. Come next time, I will lock up some man of
Yo, that's the trade thing. It's a good thing I learn the trade, you know. Instead of the arguing, you know. Yo, but differently. It's when you have a trade like this, you would. Because that's a trade, you know. Me a woman a yard that take care of. And me have, me get some money, I put on a money, me buy 200 block. Me buy some sand. Me buy some cement. Now, as the money I buy some steel. Then I dig out to a foundation and raise a little thing. Because it's good when you have a trade, you have a skill like this. You can make yourself a man. It may be in Jamaica not so wonderful, and you know and I know. But somebody me not see I do not work, I walk one higher.
Me no work. Me just collect money from people. You say they give me the money to work. Me just hide them out because that's all me can do. What sense? Me I go collect a little bit of money. Go far side. Work for people kill out myself. Hungry again. You mad man? Just collect their money down and me and the champ peel from my head from. That's how me do it.
When the fruits them done, what you go do?
Me go to my auntie.
When the auntie don't know food, what you go do? Make your work, man.
No man, there's other fruit. You have pear and you have mango and you have hockey.
So when all of them fruits are done, where you go turn to? They must run out, you know.
My auntie, yes, my auntie was a big yard. She always a cook. Always a cook. Me can't hungry man. Listen me. Me all the time man. Because you see them time, all the next hour now, me know say she will start wash plate. So see after she start, me wait till she get down in the plate. So me reach on enough you ask me to wash no plate. Me just say, yo, knead up the dumpling them and cook.
Something go at me now. So I'm telling you, you better you go and work, youth. Better you go and work and save a little money. People give them money, the ramp with people money in Jamaica, you know.
Listen me man, I not kill out myself. No one be like the Chinese them.
Morning.
Yeah, what go on?
They not start. You know see Papa from when?
Me not see boy from when.
I tell us some man to come over me here come put on my door for my house, man. My house have it up, man. I see you thing, man.
You give me work out down here to put on door.
Yeah, man. Me give me work and now me not see him come.
You pay me already?
All that in it to me pay him already.
The youth take your money and do you work?
Me not do work. Me not supposed to pay people. Me them supposed to come do me work first and then
You pay them
me pay them after.
So why you pay him first?
I see you thing, man. Me not tell lie, no, man.
The boy all thief.
Are you to tell me no fire?
Me say the boy a junko.
My dog shit too, man.
Me say if you couldn't find him and punch him on the belly, man. But
You
you
know
may
the
say
thing
no.
already.
Where you go do?
Mm.
You go down the road, go look up and see. If you not see him, you just go over in yard in the morning. No send no call you know. You go wait till him come out from empty piece spot, you grab him.
You see you fire for you. What if you do? How you do me that? How you do me that? Yeah, tell the girl about this and that and about wait for me in the early morning time. Me I eat that.
Dude, same thing me I tell you a while ago. So stop taking people the money, yo. You could tell the girls over there, you know.
Listen me, man. Listen me. I saw my life I gonna live forever.
Alright. To each his one.
I'm one money me come find now.
Which woman money?
You know, see me there, you can't pass all.
Oh,
Yeah man. So you walk one. You walk one. Tappy nice. You walk one.
Me put on the door.
Happy nice.
No worry, me
Happy
put on
nice.
the door.
Happy nice. Happy nice. Me get somebody else put on the door. So me want back my money.
Money done in a general.
Alright, you walk one, babes. Text it not our house.
Babes, me get my phone, you know.
Oh, if you go in the phone general. Auntie, oi.
Oh, me nephew. Come, man, me there wash the dirty plate, man. Come, man, come.
What want, auntie?
Me there, you know.
No food over there. I'm gonna tell them stress out.
Cook two dumplings still, you know. Me soon come back, now move. Me soon come back. Me round up to the man.
Oh, auntie take so long to come, man. Yeah, man, it's auntie, you know. Watch out. Yo. What? Hold on. Let's step back, auntie, so. Me a come, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Auntie, you know, say me get an important call and me I go and come back. But if I don't cook tonight, early before me come back, there's 6 dumplings for me.
Alright, minute. Alright. Ah, see, boy, I know when we take up my little 2 pence go hide it. You know. Lord Jesus Christ, God Almighty, what are they? No, sir, what are they? Who me look at? What are they? No, man! I just have a good thing. You know, there. What are they? Hello? You know, Charlie, the blast, the boy that come up there. You know, say, boy, they come and check me on money, I don't see. But that might be pressure take me head that me. I'm gonna look at what are they? But me not see. But the boy, you didn't come here, come check me.
Who can check you?
Me never did come here. So me don't know. Me there. Me don't know. Me not see it. You are there work? Make sure you are there work on correct, you know. Go on there work. Yeah.
So where you go there now?
Why?
Anyway
Me
there.
I go look. Anywhere me I go find it. Me I go look and me head that running so me put it down somewhere. Me I go look.
That man a beat from morning, man.
I mean, brother, right now, I want to be a bunny more. I want to broke, brother, and be a bunny girl, you give man, brother.
You lucky see a bun again. They pass my house, Panchoka, Hill, Mountain Hill. So, bun good. What going for insurance?
Brother, be a fuck your boy, brother. Like,
Why, they take too long now, man.
brother, I'm put a lie upon the thing, brother.
Listen me, no insurance is supposed to, the government system set up a way. We are fraud. Because you're not supposed to wait like 2 or 3, 4 years for no money.
Brother, $10 million,
I could have even 100 million, but me I tell you something. But anyway, enough of that.
I mean money, me come out to me money. When you take out the money, take the money. Man, imagine you got me in the place and you come money and take it away.
With money?
Oh no! I got you. What ya? Where you get so much money? Where you get them?
Me get that on what?
Hold on there.
Now work on me. Hello? Hello? Sister, you not hear me?
Hello?
You look like which part you live your phone can pick up. Me I answer but you not hear me. Okay, you hear me now. What you say?
Lord of mercy. Me find back him money. What me never there? Me lick him down wrongfully. He down a hospital. He down there.
What you mean you lick down my son and he down a hospital? How what you and my son have?
Accusing saying thief the money. Me find him there, look up it, take up here and put up it for me, man.
So all this thing I go now?
Me go send one money come give you. To Western Union and you help look after him.
You think money can bring back my son? Me and you have to go deal with this situation. I kind of sound like it nice to me. A terrible thing. You can't let down my picnic. You accuse my son wrongfully. If you come up on your yard, come thief your money. And when you're done, you have the audacity, you come call me and tell me about your finding. Girl, don't make me have nothing. Because you know say my head sick. Don't make me have nothing.
Me sorry. Me sorry about it.
Me sorry. Right now, you sorry, me sorry. You see me a breathe and you went down. Right now, me want money if you come take care of this belly. You come put me in a trouble, my son there. Look here, I'm a cuss bad old girl.
When he better come out, come check me. Me have some money, me want set him up pump some money. I'm sorry, you hear? Sorry.
You still a feel pain, man.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus. You like a whole heap of money me have to go spend on this head, then you have to go scam your head.
You have to go give me 100,000 for a doctor, man.
100,000? And that the doctor say?
Yeah.
No man, my sister me have to go call she because see she can't lick you down for something where you not do. You know why she do it? Because you're a thief. A long time you're a thief. And you feel stop. Look here boy, when me the chat don't answer me. You hear you back answer me. You feel some me answer is to your start up girl. Let me tell us, put down your hand when me the chat to you. The people them give you their work. If you do, right?
Yeah.
And you take the people their money, right?
You come like a partner, you do, and
No,
mommy,
you're not
listen
friend,
up.
you listen. Once somebody give you the money if you do a work, you're supposed to do the work. You're not supposed to take the money and don't do the work. That's a thief. And a long time you walk around and do then something, then your sister know about it. So the one little here, she hears so you come up her yard. And she miss her money. She have to say you.
But
You know you say anything bad happen and see then say a shark.
But
You know why you're so thief? When you did little, you used to thief. Me always tell us, my granny tell me, say anybody thief, you always be a thief. You fit top front thief.
But all the way
Top
to
front
the
thief,
same
I
way,
know
no
police
matter
like
what.
you. Don't call me, because I now come
Listen
nowhere.
now,
You're
mommy,
the
listen now.
penalty. That's why I lick you down. If me
If
didn't
they
cook,
cook, Me would reach up there.
Boy, tapping nice. How much time me cook and give you for the day? It look like you have worm.
2 dumplings can't eat.
Dirty dog. Imagine say you a big man. 23-year-old. And me fi still cook give you. You're lucky say me they cook give you sometime. You have your girl them a road, your little butterfoot girl them. Make them cook give you and wash your clothes. Stop come on me yard. You know what? I go put you out tonight. Listen to me now, friends. All of my fans them. I want 1 million views before the baby born. You understand? Stay there, look for me. I want you be my baby godfather here. And my baby godmother. Me like, you know, my fans, big up on yourself. 1 million views. Like and subscribe. Bless up on yourself.